Bu. Peekaboo. Peekaboo si ate.
Okay.
Sabi ni ate. Bu. May sugat sa ilo. Paano si ate mag-sleep? Si mami. Paano yung sleep ni mami last night? Si ate. Sige daw, what's your name?
Sabana kasi the yachisan tuyod.
I'm 3 years old.
I see so.
Yeah. Who's your papa?
Daddy Jamie.
Oh, love you.
love you.
Who's your mommy?
Mami Yotsan.
Who's your ate?
Ate. Oh.
Ate what? Ano pangalan ni ate?
Ate Sabana.
Ang... ate?
Ate.
Ate A?
Ate Ata.
Who's your baby?
Baby.
Baby?
Baby.
Sam?
Summer.
What is your favorite color?
Red.
Oh, red. What is your favorite food?
Tumapay.
Tinapay. Tinapay with?
With toppy. Toppy. Dada will do you. Papa, salitin ako.
Oh, sige na.
Anong sasabihin?
Ate, how about you, ate? What is your favorite color?
Pink.
Pink. What is your favorite fruits?
Apple.
And
Grapes.
grapes. How about watermelon?
Yes, and strawberries.
And strawberry. What is your favorite
Toppy.
food?
Food. Hamburger.
Burger? Do you eat hamburger?
No.
Only
Chicken.
You only eat the patty.
I like rice with chicken.
Okay. How about your baby Summer?
Mama, Papa. Ano pang sasabihin?
Introduce yourself. What's your name?
Selena Agata Ardela
You say,
Cruz.
my name.
My name is Selena Agata Ardela Cruz.
Si Bani. Bani, what's your name? My name
My name
is...
Sabana. Hindi si ate.
My name. My name
My name
is...
not it. Hindi si Bani.
Sige.
Si Agata. Or the choose
How-
Agata.
Ate, how old are you na?
6 years old.
Are you turning 7 You're turning 7 years old na this coming October.
Yes.
Okay, how about you, Bani? How old are you na? Bani, how old are you na?
3 years old.
3 years old.
3 years old.
You're turning 4 years old this coming December. And how about this one, baby? Binubuklat ang eyes ni Daddy. Ito si Mataray, yan po, yan, yung batang yun, Hi, Summer. Papa?
Wala ka dyan. Papa.
Okay, you say good night, guys.
Hoy, magbabasa pa kami.
You say good night.
Pang madami.
Yan po ang mga drawing nila, sa kwarto. Puro mga kadodrawingan. Where's mommy na? Good night, guys.
Good night, Papa Pangit.
Good night, Ate Pangit.